Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this right here, so let's just take a look around the box just in case you guys are looking for more information about it. But it is smaller than what I thought it would be, just the box itself. Let's just open this up and take this out. Here we go. And here it is. It's actually pretty small, so if you look at my hand you guys can get a sense of how small this is. So it's not as small as a pen, for example, but maybe 3 pens or 2.5 pens put together. So that's how small this is. So this is definitely portable. I'm gonna try to do a shot so you guys can see a little bit closer to what we got here. This is just an unboxing after all. So you guys are just here to see the details. But I will have a review later on. Now, I actually expected something a little bit heavier than this. This is very light. And actually, the cable itself feels, like this whole thing feels more heavy than this. So I particularly don't like that because that's usually when they use cheap parts. But let's hope this will last. I will be making a review later on, and I'll let you guys know how this worked out with a Mac. So this is just a USB-C hub. So the ports that you guys get here are just more USB-C. There's different hubs. Usually people get a USB-C to USB ports, and those are the most regular ones that you guys will see out there. In this case, I needed more of these ports. So we're gonna test them out, see how it works. But as far as this video goes, that's it. That's all I gotta show you for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.